You have a Dagbani name. The other day, a friend of mine asked me that do Dagombes really have traditional names? Because most Dagombes he has met have Arabic names. And I said he's not far from right. Most of our parents gave us Arabic names because of our Islamic tradition. But Dagombes have beautiful traditional names. And today I want to share some of them with you, just five of them with you. We have we have Anzansi, Anzansi, Anzansi. That is courage, courageous. We have Balma, Balma. Balma means persuasion. We also have Baŋgahim, Baŋgahim, to be distinguished, to be distinguished. And we have Baŋbebu, Baŋbebu, that which means live cautiously, live cautiously. And we have Benyeya, Benyeya, and that is they have witness. Benyeya, they have witness. And we have Kasi, Kasi, which means purity, purity. You can name your child with any of these five beautiful names. If you have a beautiful Dagoma name, you can comment it in the comment section. And you want more of these names, you can visit our website www.thebankingdom.com. We have about 200 names with their meanings on the website you can choose from.